Natural disaster, baby, it's been around me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on that post notification bell down below as well to be notified of all of my future uploads. So today's video is going to be about an affordable wig. It's been so long, I feel like I've not uploaded a video about affordable wigs in a very long time. And today I decided to pick up this wig by Vivica A. Fox. The style is Bolero. This is my very first time ever trying on a wig from her company. It does say that there is deep parting space in the wig, and it does have an invisible lace part. I'm not exactly sure what invisible lace part is on a synthetic wig, but okay. So what I really do like about Swiss lace is that it's soft, so it doesn't scratch and irritate your skin when you're adhering it down. You can also add baby hairs to the wig as well when it has Swiss lace. So that's great that this wig does have that. So, taking her out of the package, she is a little looser than a deep wave texture. Can you guys see it? But she's more of a loose wave wig. She has 3 combs. There's 1 comb in the back, 2 combs in the front, and she does have like Swiss lace around the entire hairline portion of this wig. So you can glue her down or use Got2b or whatever you use to lay your wigs down with. She does have an adjustable strap in the back, and she does seem pretty full. The parting space isn't bad too. As you can see, this parting space is the best that I have seen on a synthetic wig, because usually the parting space on synthetic wigs are really skinny, and I have to take my tweezers and I have to tweeze so much hairs and pluck so much hairs from the parting space, but I don't have to do that with this wig. Look at that. It is bulky here though, so I might have to go ahead and tweeze some of the hairs just to make this less bulky here on the sides, because I don't like that look at all. I'm gonna have to put some foundation here because it seems a little bit lighter than my actual complexion. So this wig actually does come with a pre-plucked hairline, which is so crazy because I've never seen a synthetic wig come with a pre-plucked hairline. But that's really cool that they're actually picking up on things that virgin hair wigs have, like the Swiss lace and the pre-plucked hairline. Although the hairline isn't the best now, but it is a start. Okay, so now that I got that lace off, I'm just going to try her on. I'm going to apply the comb in the back first and stretch her forward, and then put the 2 combs on the sides in. I like the fit of the wig. It is stretchy, but I feel like it is kind of big on my head, which is weird because I have a big head. But okay, I got all 3 combs in. How does it look? Does it look crazy? Oh my gosh, what the hell? This? This looks weird. I'm gonna have to cut some layers into this or something. This is not exactly the look I was going for. Okay, so initially putting this wig on, it is really big right here. I am definitely going to have to tweeze some of the hairs on this wig and the, you know, near the parting area space. I'm going to have to brush it down or try to do something to lay this flat. So I am going to spray water on it, try to flatten it by putting my headscarf on and leaving that on for a few minutes. Oh, it looks better. Much better. much better. Because it was scaring me at first. It was really, I looked like a wet poodle when I first put that on. Now I'm liking her. I wonder how this wig is going to look if I brushed through her. But this, look at this. Compared to when I first put it on, this looks much better. This is a pretty wig. Look at this! I love it! It is pretty. You might want to do something to dull the shine of the hair, because it does look like Barbie doll hair, y'all. It does look like Barbie doll hair in person. I wish it was like a yuckier texture, but it's not. So be mindful of that if you are ordering this wig. I did not pluck the parting space like I said I was. I just didn't have time to do that. But I did spray the parting space or around the parting space with water. I brushed only that part down and I put my headscarf on, and it's been about 15 minutes. So this is the result of that. I mean, it is flatter than what it was before. It is flatter. Okay, so I decided to try something different and cut this wig into a blunt cut bob. As you can see, it's totally changed the way that this wig looks. I feel like it looks much better short. I love the trendiness of this wig now that I cut it. Which looks better, long or short? Let me know down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information about this wig down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
Every time I look in